I'm recording. Let's see. What are we doing? Oh, we are testing a broadcast receiver, so okay, so we just need to copy this bit right here. So let's make a new broadcast receiver, SMS receive, and it's going to extend broadcast receiver. It's going to implement the methods. It's going to be public. In the manifest file, we are going to add the receiver. Let's see, and then an intent filter, and then how do we do an intent filter? Open recent. Let's see if this one works. So it's an action, right? So we are going to have an action, and the action is going to be this right here. Can I get it? Okay. Right. Well, that's... Oh wait, it's syncing. No, 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 we don't. It's not this. It's... I can't move it. Oh, that's annoying. So, no changes detected. Bunch of screenshots. Oh well. So this is... Why is this? Do I have it set to... Yeah, it's set to true. Okay. So we are looking if was it log d works. We just want to see if the log prints out it works. SM received. So we also need to give permission for receive SMS. Oops. Oops. Here. Okay. Okay, let's run it in the emulator. We're seeing if we'll fire off the log in here, right? Once a message is sent, text message. I think phone? Yeah, that's fine. Hello world, send a message. Is this not working? It's not calling. Do not disturb. Okay. So if do not disturb is on, it won't get picked up, or well, let's see if this works. So a message was sent. This should be called. Let's see, do we have any errors? No. This is my broadcast. Supported true. Do I have to ask for permission? What is this? I'm asking permission for receive. Okay. So I should be run this twice and it should allow. Okay, and now I refresh. And now it should have this logcat. So it works now. That's cool. Let's try it again. And we send the message, got to this part. Okay, now if it's on like do not disturb, does a notification go through? Yes, it does. Yeah, okay. So yeah, emulator works. Now what are we doing in here? So we have this, we have the permission. Oh yeah, we need to ask for the permission in so that means I have this these classes, right? And if I run this, if I run the app, it's going to show, well, I have to delete it actually. So if I uninstall it, yes, and then it runs. Runs and launches. I made it so it's locked, but once you allow it, then you get the switch, and that's what I want for here. So let's make a new package for that. Okay. And that needs the permissions, which classes? On permission granted. Yeah, let's just put it in here. I can move it later. So I have the on permission granted. Lock state. I need permission and okay. Paste. Wrapper activity. let's make a new package. New package. Let's put these two in here. Okay, so those are permission granted unlock is part of it. Let's rename that. So I'm not using dollar signs anymore. I'm using underbar. I was playing around with dollar sign, but it's kind of like too messy. Okay. What do you not like? Lock state. This is underbar. Yes, like so. Okay, and imports. You're giving me an error for permission. Okay. Permission is giving me an error. I need wrapper compact. Cancel. Wrapper. This. I need this. Which takes an imp. Okay. No more. Let's build. See if we get any errors to see. Permission manager, that's for multiple permissions. Okay. So I need something like this. Do I? Okay, that depends. Does permission ask the same way this thing does, which is request permissions? Activity compat. Request permissions. So it does. So I can have a new permission SMS received. Right. And this float extends permission. Create constructor. We do need the activity, but the other stuff we just need the manifest. That's permission name, and then activity compat, which is new wrapper. Right. Okay. Okay. And we need, so how does this work? Is a lock gets called where? Analyze, go to usage. Lock map. Lock on off. So we need something like this. And this gets called where? Okay, and then on off gets called over here. So this would be, you'd lock the button in here. So on off would be, it's a new lock off. And we take the activity, we take the button, right? Okay, so we take the button, then we take the lock. Then we have the permission. So we need to add a lock here. Now what do I have for a lock? What is this? Is this a switch? And this is a button. Right, because the button needs to be, and we need icon. Do we have a lock icon? Ooh, that looks nice. And no text. One. I want it to be square. So get rid of this and one to one. And then we want the icon to be centered. Oh, I can fiddle with this later. I can also fix that later. What's this? Contains compilation errors. Oh, you mean this? Does that get rid of? Yeah, okay. So this is for accessibility, content, description. I'll just throw in click to uh, uh, unlock permission SMS receive. Yes. Yes, it's hard coded, but that's fine for now. Now, if I go into on off and I do the lock, so button lock equals um, activity.find or .id dots. I don't have it named, do I? Um, lock permission. Say SMS. So that means this needs to be public. This probably needs to be over here. Make this public. Um, Shin. Let's see. It's view lock. So on off and then lock. Right? Is that it? Is that how it does? And let's see. We need to add uh permission. We need to add the tests. Okay, so permission and also lock. Permission unlock. Permission. So new package. Permission. A. Okay, Control Shift T. Can I reload? Why is this not? Refresh. Right, Studio refresh. Check time. Control Alt Y. Control Alt Y. Control Alt Y. I need to change the default name to name. Okay. Java. Here. Test under. Okay. This is cool. I'm changing lots of things. I want to make this a package so I can reuse it, but I'll just copy and paste for now. Let's close and reopen. Yes. Shift X F6. Shift F6. If I double click in here, yeah, it's changed. Okay. Shift F6. Okay. Now we need a new package, which is lock. And we'll copy the lock permissions, which is this one and this one. Quest permission. I thought I highlighted both of them. Quest permission. Select all. Underbar. Lock permission. Import. Why would I? Oh yeah, I need to import. On click listener request. Click listener. On request. I probably need to delete. Home. Okay. Yes. Lock on click listener. Is this like, this is in the lock class, right? Wait, is it made? No. What? Oh, it's yes. We want uh and we are in lock. Yes. Okay, let's solve that issue. Yes, let's do that. And move that up here. We do need the permission. Okay, that's one. It's the second one. Yeah. Click listener, request permission. Click this. Oh, it's this one. Let's name these all properly. And I should have okay. Select all occurrences. Don't need that. Okay, let's run this. Actually, let's run all the tests. Okay, they're all correct. And was that everything? That was lock. Permission, don't have permission manager. Run with test coverage. So I should either have 100% or zeros. Permission. Test permission should. So these are tested. That one's not going to be, that's a wrapper. So interface, why is this not tested? Test permission. Okay. Did I not copy it over? Okay. Shift F6. Run with test coverage. Permission should know. Oops. Oh yeah, I forgot to. Yes. Okay. Whoa. is a lot of. Okay, there, 100%. Okay, okay, I imported all of this. All of that. Now if I run this, then I should have the purple lock. Well, that's gonna be a problem, but whatever. I click it, I allow. What? Okay, so that's weird. So, but, copy over lock permission. So that, what does it do? Requires, so that reveals, off on switch when permission is granted. Bug is that. Bug that. Lock button. Lock button isn't swapped immediately. Alright. That is a lot. Well, that's what are the. Yeah, I have that. Well, let's fix it. Let's fix this. Yes. Oh yeah, it was content description, right? Oops. Copy. New. What are we gonna call it? Lock description. There, okay. Lock description. Yes. Item with lock, what? Is it because I have click? I think it's because I have click. Control W to close the windows, strings, and unlock permission. SMS. Received. Okay. Yes, it was at click 2. Now where's my errors messages? Yes. This one, new string, is redundant. Actually, you kind of need new string to test if it's a dot equals. So, there. And now I should do okay. Let's get this to work. Why is the lock? So it gets here. Permission. Okay, where does it change? So where's test coverage? I want to close it. That's not it. Emulator, and close the emulator. Coverage. There. Ah, much nicer. I need the lock on unlock. So lock state here. View. I need to pass in the views. So it's here that I need dot view. Let's see, how did I do it here? Lock on off. I just passed it in. I tested it. It was working. On off lock. And here was button, then lock, then permission. And why isn't it working? Let's run it again. Okay, so we're looking for messaging. Unlock that. Okay. Now if I run it, I click the button, I allow. Ah, I remember. Right. So in order to get the activity, it returns the permission right here. Right. So I have to do this, and then I have to do the permission I'm doing, which is permission SMS received. Can I just do new? No, I have to have the activity. So this, and then I yes, I will do permission manager. Right? Yeah, it checks. So I will use this. Paste. And then so that works. And then I need the test for permission manager. Shift F6. Here, it's because of this. Okay. And I run it, should run right. Okay. Okay, it works. So in activity, I should have permission manager. And then okay. So if I run this now, I have to uninstall first.
He clips it all the way.
Or, let's allow. What's version receive? Activity wrapper compact. So it's getting asked, right? On. So what is calling grant? On permission. Where is this from? On permission. Okay, so we add it to a list. Where is this being called? A lock. Unlock. This. Unlocked. View. Is the first one. Unlock. let's so it creates a permission. Is this called anywhere? It's given in okay. Yeah, that's what's happening. So this permission, I'm not putting it in. Oops. B. Yeah. Control B. Like so. Okay. Yes. Okay, it works. Finally. Finally. Uh, fixed lock. Disappearing. Lock not switching out with off on switch when permission was. Okay. Okay, how long? An hour. That took forever. Okay, that's it for now.